Ku ingin menyapamu tapi sayangnya kau acuh. Ingin milikimu tapi sayangnya kau selalu menjauh dariku, dari pandangan mataku. Tapi untung aja selalu dekat di kalbuku, selalu di kalbu. Sudah begitu dalam di kalbu, sampai ku bawa kau dalam mimpiku. Setiap adamu penuhi pandangku, sampai ku tak mampu lepaskan bayangmu.
Ku ingin menyapamu, tapi tak satu pun kataku mampu.
Ku ingin menyapamu, tapi sayangnya kau acuh.
Hello guys, how are you today? This is Pelias TV. For sure, you rarely see me showing in the video because I'm a bit shy. Anyway, since it's my hubby, my partner's special day, so I'm here to greet him a happy birthday. Wish him a good health, happy life, happy family with me. I hope soon we will be together. Because of the pandemic, we've been separated for almost 2 years. Yes, 2 years, because he's been here before pandemic, and then after that he cannot travel due to the restrictions. And now, since the border is open, so I heard that he already booked a ticket, and so soon he will be here. But before that, I just want to wish him a happy birthday today. Hopefully, he will enjoy his day today. And although we are not there and we are too far to celebrate the birthday, what I want, the only wish that I want is good health, happy life, and of course, for sure, the future is with us, of course. So me and La just waiting for him here, and for sure we will be okay, we will be happy. Although this is the first time we will be together seriously, and although before is serious, but now is more a happy family. We're planning, although I am too old and he's already old, but you know, there's no age for people who are in love. In a way. So at least everything will be fine. I know it will be fine, and this home is our happy home. Actually, we built it during pandemic, yeah. And there's a lot of things to finish, but this is undone yet. Although outside it's in front is already having a paint already, but I will show you soon. But inside, since he wanted a nice kitchen, so he said, just wait for me, and he will decide what kind of kitchen he will build in. I'm not sure, and of course the other things he's the one will decide. So I just wait for him to come, and hopefully everything will be fine. And of course, I know he will be happy with me and my blah. And of course, I just thank to God. Baliktad. you.